After all the festive season fun, it's time to go. Unfortunately, school and work will soon resume, so it's time to go back to base. We went via the same means we came back to the east, GUO bus. I booked a ticket online and early in the morning we went to the park in Omonze. I must say that GUO gave us a Gura Gura bus. This was my first time getting a Gura Gura as first bus in GUO. This is the first time I am boarding a bus in Omonze though. I usually go to Ekulobe Park. So GUO answer me, why did you give us a Gura Gura bus? Is it because it is Omonze Park? The bus was air conditioned quite alright, but the seat just behind the driver, which was where I sat, was so hot. The effect of the air conditioning was nullified. Chayo. In fact, I felt so much for the lady sitting beside me that had 2 kids. So my people, if possible, avoid booking a GUO bus from a small town. That's the only thing I can pin it down to, because all the years I've been taking GUO, either from their Jibowu or Sele Park or from Ekulobe Park, it has always been Tam Tam bus that smells alive that they put as first bus. This one, bam 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 banobiam. There were even other kinds of tiny rickety noises I was hearing all through the journey. No, that bus was not fit for a trip to Lagos. Oha. You can trust me to say my mind when giving them feedback. I have not received a response from them anyway, or even a confirmation that they received my feedback. Whether anybody sees that feedback, I don't know. Apart from all that, the journey was okay. My kids were tired of the long journey though. Having fun? Eh?
I can't get it because of the...
Are you having fun?
Yeah, that's tiring staying here for like 5 hours.
It's tiring. We'll soon stop somewhere. Get down from the bus.
Okay. Later.
Then you can buy change. Then you come here, let me see your food. But like I always tell them, this long journey is better than flying locally in Nigeria due to cancellations, schedule changes, and all whatnot. I try to avoid that heartbreak as much as possible, Biko. Because we left early in January, when a lot of people were even still coming back to the east for burials and weddings, there was not much traffic on the way. And as always, there are no police checkpoints in this direction. You know why? If you know why, let me know in the comments. We only met 1 or 2 jams at army checkpoints. So everything went serere werere. And before we knew it, we were in Ore. And you know how it is? Once you see Ore, you're almost in Lagos. When we got down from the bus, they were blasting the song of the moment at the park. So I said, let me take one round of dance first. Kana kokwa. Imagwana mwanke ne melwa marue. We arrived Lagos at about 4 p.m. As always, we ran last-minute errands in Lagos. See, I and hubby chilling in our keke on our way back from running errands.
Keke romance.
As a tradition on this channel, I would have gone to Oyingbo Market. You guys love Oyingbo Market videos, eh? Even if I am buying the exact same things I bought during the last one, you guys just love to see that market. You love the rowdy sights and sounds of Oyingbo Market, but sadly, I did not go by myself this time. But not to worry, I'll upload a video showing you what my sister bought for me at Oyingbo Market. We rushed to the airport. Check-in was smooth with all the paperwork that is involved these days. For our destination, which is Spain, we only needed to present a QR code. You get off the Spanish health website. Once you register there, you'll be able to print out the QR code. We also presented our vaccination certificates, and all of us are fully vaccinated, so no need to take PCR COVID tests. Please find out the rules for your destination country, especially if you live outside the EU. We arrived Spain safely to the cold, from very hot to very cold. Anyway, Spain is not very cold. You need winter jackets, yes, but it is not bitterly cold. Our minibus driver was waiting for us at the airport when we arrived, and then we embarked on the 2 to 3 hour drive to where we live.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dream.
All I can say is that the trip was so worth it. We all enjoyed ourselves, as you saw in the Christmas vlogs, and I'm sure you all enjoyed yourselves too, living vicariously through the vlogs. Did you? If you did, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.
Yes, I said.